Welcome back, garden friends. We're talking about one of spring's most charming ground covers, Blue Phlox. From the soft, sky-colored blooms of Emerald Blue Creeping Phlox, to a rainbow of other Phlox varieties, let's dig into how to grow them and where they thrive. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be providing a few links below on some of the phlox plants we're talking about. What is Blue Phlox? Blue Phlox, also known as creeping phlox or Phlox subulata, is a low-growing perennial that bursts into bloom in early to mid-spring. The variety Emerald Blue is especially popular, with its soft lavender blue flowers and mossy green foliage that creates a dense carpet of color. Phlox is a genus of 68 species of perennial and annual plants in the family Polemoniaceae. How to grow Blue Phlox. Phlox requires little attention in the garden and is low maintenance. To grow Blue Phlox, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. These plants love full sun but will tolerate light shade. They're drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and perfect for borders, rock gardens, or even cascading over retaining walls. Just make sure to give them room to spread. Here are some quick tips. Plant in early spring or fall. Space about 15 to 18 inches apart. Water regularly the first season. Shear after blooming to encourage dense growth. Phlox are herbaceous perennials and can die back to the ground in the cold winter, but in mild climates, creeping phlox can remain semi-evergreen to evergreen. Other phlox colors and varieties. While Emerald Blue is a standout, phlox comes in a full palette of colors. Try Candy Stripe, pink and white blooms. Sunset Pink, vivid rose hues. Purple Beauty, rich purple flowers. Snowflake, bright white blossoms. And don't forget about tall garden phlox, Phlox paniculata, a summer blooming cousin that adds vertical color to borders and pollinator gardens. Phlox comes in two main forms and sizes. The Phlox paniculata type of tall garden phlox are erect perennials, and Phlox subulata are creeping phlox, which grow like a ground cover. Both have the same scented blooms, aromatic leaves, and pollinator-friendly flowers. Check out some of the phlox varieties in the links below. No matter what color of phlox you choose to plant in your garden, just know that these old-fashioned variety that have stood the test of time because of its resilience and beauty. Why gardeners love phlox. Phlox isn't just beautiful, it's a pollinator magnet. Butterflies and bees love it, and once established, it's super low maintenance. Whether you're creating a cottage garden or sprucing up a slope, phlox brings lasting spring cheer year after year. Ready to plant a sea of color this spring? Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite phlox variety? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy garden inspiration. Happy planting!